Welcome back to E-Green Channel, a Christmas feast, setting the stage. Christmas dinner is more than just a meal. It's a cherished tradition that brings people together in a way that few other occasions can. It's a time for family and friends to gather around the table, share stories, laugh, and celebrate the season with joy and warmth. The heart of this festive gathering is often a beautifully roasted turkey, its aroma filling the house with warmth and anticipation, signaling that the feast is about to begin. Imagine the scene, a crackling fireplace, twinkling lights, and the happy chatter of loved ones. The air is filled with the scent of pine and spices, creating an atmosphere of comfort and joy. The dining table, adorned with festive decorations, becomes a stage for a culinary masterpiece. Each dish is prepared with love and care, adding to the magic of the evening. At the center of it all sits the magnificent turkey, golden brown, and sanfajao yu renda xiang wei. Its presence is a testament to the effort and tradition that goes into making Christmas dinner special. It's a symbol of abundance and togetherness, a culinary testament to the spirit of the season. The turkey represents not just food, but the love and care that binds the family together. From the first bite of juicy turkey to the last spoonful of dessert, every moment is savored. The flavors, the textures, and the shared experience create a tapestry of memories. Christmas dinner creates memories that linger long after the last of the dishes are cleared. It's a time to reflect on the year gone by, to appreciate the present, and to look forward to the future with hope and joy. The decorations, the food, the laughter, and the love all come together to create a magical evening that is cherished by all. It's a celebration of togetherness, of family, and of the simple joys that make life special. As the evening progresses, the sounds of Christmas carols fill the air, and children play around the Christmas tree, their faces lit with excitement and wonder. As the night comes to an end, family members hug and say their goodbyes, with promises to meet again soon. Outside, snow gently falls, adding a final touch of magic to the evening. The warm glow of lights from inside the house and the sight of a Christmas wreath on the door serve as a reminder of the love and joy that fill the home during this special time of year. The star of the show, herb roasted turkey. This dish is not just a meal, it's a celebration, a centerpiece that brings everyone together around the table. The aroma of fresh herbs and the sight of a perfectly roasted turkey can make any holiday gathering feel extra special. Ingredients: 1 12 to 14 pound turkey thawed, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper. These basic ingredients are the foundation of our flavorful turkey. Half a cup unsalted butter, softened. The butter will help keep the turkey moist and add a rich flavor. A quarter cup chopped fresh herbs, such as thyme, rosemary, and sage. These herbs infuse the turkey with a fragrant aroma and a burst of flavor. 1 onion, quartered. 2 carrots chopped. 2 celery stalks chopped. These vegetables will create a flavorful base for our turkey. 4 cups chicken broth, which will keep the turkey moist and add depth to the pan drippings. Instructions: preheat oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 165 degrees Celsius. Preheating the oven ensures that the turkey cooks evenly and thoroughly. Rinse turkey and pat dry. This step is crucial to remove any excess moisture, which helps the skin crisp up during roasting. Rub skin with olive oil, salt, and pepper. The olive oil helps the skin become golden and crispy, while the salt and pepper add essential seasoning. In a small bowl, combine softened butter and chopped herbs. This herb butter will be the secret to our turkey's incredible flavor. Gently loosen turkey skin and spread herb butter evenly under the skin. This step ensures that the flavors penetrate deep into the meat, keeping it juicy and flavorful. Place onion, carrots, and celery in the bottom of a roasting pan. These vegetables will not only add flavor, but also act as a rack to keep the turkey elevated. Place turkey on top of vegetables and pour chicken broth into the pan. The broth will keep the turkey moist and create a delicious base for gravy. Roast turkey for 3 to 4 hours, or until a meat thermometer inserted into the thickest part of the thigh registers 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. This ensures that the turkey is cooked through and safe to eat. Let turkey rest for 15 minutes before carving. Resting allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, making it more tender and flavorful. Carve and serve your herb-roasted turkey, and watch as your guests' faces light up with delight. A bird of tradition turkey's place at Christmas. The tradition of turkey at Christmas is deeply rooted in history. For centuries, families have gathered around tables adorned with this magnificent bird, creating memories that span generations. Native to North America, turkeys were a novel food source for European settlers. When they first encountered these birds, they were struck by their size and abundance, making them an ideal choice for feasts and celebrations. Over time, the bird became associated with special occasions, particularly Thanksgiving and Christmas. Its presence on the table symbolizes more than just a meal. It represents a time of togetherness and gratitude. Its large size makes it perfect for feeding a crowd, embodying the spirit of generosity and abundance that defines the holiday season. The turkey's golden, crispy skin and tender meat are a testament to the care and effort put into preparing the holiday feast. The act of carving the turkey at the table has become a cherished ritual, often performed by the head of the family. This moment is filled with anticipation and joy, as everyone eagerly awaits their portion of the delicious bird. More than just a meal, the Christmas turkey represents a connection to past generations and a celebration of shared traditions. As families gather, they not only enjoy the food but also the company, stories, and laughter that come with it. The turkey, in many ways, is a bridge between the past and the present, a symbol of continuity and the enduring spirit of the holiday season. The herb butter secret: flavor and moisture. The secret to a truly flavorful and juicy turkey lies in the herb butter. The butter, infused with aromatic herbs like thyme, rosemary, and sage, melts under the skin as the turkey roasts. This not only imparts a rich, savory flavor to the meat, but also helps to keep it incredibly moist. The herbs themselves add a depth of flavor that elevates the turkey beyond the ordinary. Don't be afraid to experiment with different herb combinations to find your perfect blend. Section 5. Perfect partners: sides that shine. No Christmas turkey is complete without an array of delectable sides. Mashed potatoes, creamy and comforting, provide the perfect canvas for rich turkey gravy. Stuffing, a savory blend of bread, vegetables, and herbs, offers a comforting taste of the season. These sides aren't just accompaniments, they are integral parts of the Christmas dinner experience. Each bite tells a story of warmth, comfort, and shared culinary traditions. Other classic sides like roasted vegetables, cranberry sauce, and dinner rolls round out the meal, creating a symphony of flavors that dance on the palate. Section 6. Cranberry sauce and wine, a delicious duet. Pairing the right beverages with your Christmas dinner can elevate the entire dining experience. Cranberry sauce, with its tart sweetness, cuts through the richness of the turkey and stuffing. A light-bodied red wine like Pinot Noir complements the savory flavors of the meal without overpowering the palate. For those who prefer white wine, a crisp Sauvignon Blanc or a buttery Chardonnay are excellent choices. The right pairings enhance the flavors of the food, creating a harmonious balance that delights the senses. Section 7. Mastering the meal tips for success. Plan ahead. Christmas dinner involves multiple dishes. Create a timeline and prep ingredients in advance to minimize stress. Temperature is key. Use a meat thermometer to ensure the turkey is cooked to a safe internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. Rest and baste. Allow the turkey to rest for at least 15 minutes after roasting. Baste it with pan juices every hour during cooking to keep it moist. Delegate and enjoy. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Enlist family and friends to assist with side dishes or setting the table. Section 8. Sharing the bounty, the joy of a shared meal. Christmas dinner is more than just a meal. It's a celebration of togetherness. It's about sharing delicious food with the people you love. The act of gathering around the table, sharing stories, and creating memories is what makes this meal so special. The laughter, the shared stories, and the joy of being together transform a simple meal into something truly magical. Section 9. Conclusion. Christmas memories made at the table. As the last of the Christmas pudding is devoured and the final glasses are raised in toast, one thing is certain. Christmas dinner is more than just a meal. It's a tapestry of flavors, traditions, and shared moments. The aroma of herb-roasted turkey, the comforting flavors of classic sides, and the joy of gathering with loved ones. These are the ingredients that make Christmas dinner a cherished memory. Subscribe to the Green Channel, the brainchild of Said Mustafa, a dedicated public health professional and visionary, committed to providing you with valuable insights for a healthier and happier life. Stay tuned for more interesting facts.